Hello, my name is Travis Andrade and I'm the Product Marketing Manager here at Bugcrowd. We are pleased to announce our 2017 winter product release, and in this release it's really a high-level overview of recently released features that we have built to deliver a platform with integrative workflows, insightful reporting, and really to help enable our researcher community. In this first video, I will go ahead and demonstrate 3 features on the Crowdcontrol platform that really help streamline the integration of bug bounty solutions into your application security workflow. Here at Bugcrowd, we really understand that organizations rely on metrics and other applications beyond Crowdcontrol to really manage their vulnerability management processes. And so to address this need for a more integrative workflow, we have now introduced a new Bi-Directional API that really enables our customers to access raw report data, as well as enable our users to utilize a powerful query interface outside the Crowdcontrol platform. So this Bugcrowd API can really be used in many different ways. Some use cases include querying submission details, adding a new submission, or importing known issues. So in this demonstration, I'll go ahead and walk you through the steps to utilize this API in order to query submission details from a specific program. First, retrieve the API access token as seen here. Upon doing this, it is really important to remember to record these credentials before leaving the page. This access token is only displayed upon creation, and so it won't be viewable after the page has been refreshed. Next, go to docs.bugcrowd.com. Here you will find all the Bugcrowd API documentation. You really want to use these docs to gain a much better insight into different ways that you could actually utilize the Bugcrowd API. Alright, so you're going to want to navigate to the API submissions page and then copy the example request as seen here. So in order to make this request, in addition to the API access token, you will also need the bug bounty UUID. So to retrieve the UUID, you must first use the API to query the bug bounty information. So I did this prior to creating this video, but this could be executed similarly to retrieving the submission details as I'm currently showing you here. Just use the docs page to help you format the appropriate request. Alright, so I've used a separate application to copy all the information I need here, and go ahead and you're going to want to copy and paste in the authentication code here in the header. Then copy and paste the UUID here. Alright, and finally go ahead and copy and paste the full request into your terminal and execute the command, and you should retrieve all of the submission details in that bounty program in the raw form. For further insight into how to make the best use of the Bugcrowd API, please visit our Crowdcontrol document page. As I said, this is at docs.bugcrowd.com. Next, the new custom fields feature can be used to align the bug bounty management process with your application security and development workflows. And so the custom fields page you're looking at right now allows you to add custom field labels. For this example, I'll go ahead and add a specific teams and an application version field. So these fields will be added to the submission details and may be edited on the submissions page as you see here. I'll go ahead and assign the team to this submission and add the application version. Note, this feature is for internal customer use only. So in this example, I utilized this feature to assign specific internal teams to a specific submission that had a vulnerability that affected a specific application version. Now this can be done across all submissions on this program. And so this is just one example of how these custom fields can be utilized to streamline your application security management process. Finally, we've made an update to the role-based access functionality on the Crowdcontrol platform. And so this update addresses this need of partitioning team roles between programs that has been requested by many of our customers. In this way, customers may now ensure that team members across the organization are focused on the programs and responsibilities that are most applicable to their jobs. For a better understanding of the new roles, as well as a granular insight into all of the features mentioned here in this video, read our 2017 winter release notes or visit docs.bugcrowd.com.